The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Li Sup Ching's Acar Timun is a vibrant Peranakan pickle of crisp cucumber, carrot, and chili. Rather than a simple brine, it relies on a rich cooked rempah, dried chilies, shallots, candlenuts, and dried prawns pounded and fried until the oil separates. Simmered with vinegar and sugar, the sauce coats the raw vegetables, balancing sweet, sour, and spicy depths. Salted beforehand for snap, the vegetables soak up the complex flavors. Best served cool after a day of marinating. Cucumbers, 2, cut into 2. 5 cm's fingers as desired. Carrot, 1, cut into 2. 5 cm's fingers as desired. Red chili, 1, cut into 0. 5 cm's strips as desired. Bombay onion, 1, cut into 0. 5 cm's wedges as desired. Salt, 2 tablespoons as desired. Dried red chilies, 8 as desired. Shallots, 8 as desired. Garlic, 4 cloves as desired. Ginger, 2 cm knob as desired. Candlenuts, 3 as desired. Dried prawns, 1/2 cup as desired. Cooking oil, 1/2 cup as desired. Mustard seeds, 1/2 teaspoon as desired. Turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon as desired. Vinegar, 3/4 cup as desired. Sugar, 3 1/2 tablespoons as desired. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. 1. Salt the vegetables. Combine the cut cucumbers, carrot, red chili, and onion in a bowl. Sprinkle with the salt and toss to coat. Leave for at least 2 hours until the vegetables turn limp. 2. Dry the vegetables. When the vegetables are limp, wash away the salt and spread them out on a dry tea towel in a breezy place to dry. 3. Make the spice paste. Grind together the dried red chilies, shallots, garlic, ginger, and candlenuts to a smooth paste. Pound the dried prawns separately. 1. Measure the remaining seasonings. Have the mustard seeds, turmeric powder, vinegar, and sugar measured and ready at the stove before you start frying. Cooking steps S5. Fry the mustard seeds. Heat the cooking oil in a wok or pan and fry the mustard seeds for about 1/2 minute until they begin to sizzle and pop. 6. Fry the spice paste. Add the ground spice paste and turmeric powder. Fry for another 3-4 minutes until the paste separates from the oil, the pekaminyak stage that signals the rempah is properly cooked. 7. Add the dried prawns. Stir in the pounded dried prawns and continue cooking for another 2-3 minutes. 8. Add the vinegar and sugar. Pour in the vinegar and add the sugar. Cook slowly, stirring until the mixture becomes fairly thick. Taste and season with more sugar and salt if necessary. 9. Combine with the vegetables. Stir in the prepared vegetables and toss quickly to coat them evenly with the sauce. Remove from the heat and allow to cool completely. 10. Store and serve. Cool before filling into warm, clean bottles or jars. Best left for 1 day before serving so the flavors are absorbed, keeps very well for a week or more. To serve, spoon alongside curries, rendang, grilled or fried fish, or rich braises. Serve chilled or at room temperature for the best contrast.